Real estate has changed, and we're staying competitive for you. I've partnered with Keller Williams, which means you're gonna get the best. I now have access to groundbreaking technology that will allow our team to meet the demands of buying and selling in today's modern world. Selling a home can be overwhelming, but I'm here to help you every step of the way so you never feel alone. And my goal is to sell your home for the highest possible price in the least amount of time. We have a team of buyer's agents that are here to match your needs and wants to the home of your dreams. I've handpicked an incredible team of agents, marketers, and administrators to ensure no detail goes unnoticed. Our media team is here every step of the way to deliver high-quality photo and video of your home, paired with sophisticated social media ads and marketing. Working with the Tomlinson Group means you have a full-time team dedicated to you. I am thrilled to be offering this new real estate experience in Chillicothe designed just for you.